A comprehensive overview for every travel blogger on starting a successful travel business. Introduction: Top 7 things every travel blogger should know before starting a business. What type of business to choose? A travel blog is a popular business idea for many people. It's a relatively low-cost way to start a business, and it doesn't require much of an investment in the beginning. This type of blog posts about travel destinations and offers tips on how to make the most out of your trip. It also shares information on how to plan your trip, what to pack, and where to stay while you're there. How much money can you make in travel industry? The travel industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is one of the most profitable industries in the world. The tourism industry generates more than $1.4 trillion in revenue annually and employs more than 1% of the world's population. In this video, we will talk about how much money you can make in this industry and what are the different ways to make money from it. In order to start making money from this industry, you need to have some basic knowledge about it and be able to start generating leads for your business. This means that you need to know where your target audience is, what they want, and how they interact with different channels like blogs, social media, or email campaigns. Where to start your own travel blog? Many people want to start their own travel blog, but they don't know where to start. It is not as easy as it seems. You need to know what you are getting into and have a plan in place before starting your journey. In this video, I will share with you my personal tips for starting your own blog and some of the best blogs out there. A travel blog is a blog that focuses on travels, tourism, and other forms of leisure. They are usually maintained by an individual who travels frequently or has traveled extensively, usually in order to provide commentary on the places visited or seen from a personal perspective. The term travel blogger may refer either specifically to someone whose profession is blogging about his or her travels, or more generally to anyone who maintains a travel-related blog. Some of the most popular travel blogs include 7 online advertising strategies you can use right now to monetize your blog. Online advertising is the most popular and arguably the most lucrative monetizing strategy for bloggers. The internet has opened up opportunities for bloggers to make money in a variety of ways, but advertising is still the most popular and profitable way to earn an income. This video will cover 7 online advertising strategies that you can use right now to monetize your blog. Adding banner ads to your blog. Adding a sponsored post feature. How to monetize your blog. 7 online advertising strategies you can use right now to monetize your blog. Online advertising is the most popular and arguably the most lucrative monetizing strategy for bloggers. The internet has opened up opportunities for bloggers to make money in a variety of ways. But advertising is still the most popular and profitable way to earn an income. This video will cover 7 online advertising strategies that you can use right now to monetize your blog. Using Google AdSense on your blog. Adding banner ads to your blog. Adding a sponsored post feature. Using Facebook ads for AdSense or sponsored posts. Using Amazon's advertising platform for blogs with affiliate links on the website. Choosing from an ad network that provides ads in exchange for revenue share or advertising fees paid by advertisers and publishers are split equally. Conclusion and final tips for successful travel businesses. Here are some tips to help you create a successful travel business. Focus on the customer experience. The customer experience is the most important aspect of any business, and this is especially true for a travel company. Look at what your competitors are doing, and then try to do it better. Stay on top of your competition. Read reviews, check out their website, and see what they're doing differently than you. Keep up with the times. Travel trends change every year, so make sure you're always keeping up with what's new in the industry so that you can stay ahead of the curve. Be passionate about what you do. If you don't love what you're doing, your customers will be able to tell. Keep costs low. It can be tempting to raise prices and make more money. But if your cost per customer is higher than the competition, they'll find other companies that are cheaper. Affiliate programs are a great way to earn some solid income from your blog. And there are plenty of food-related products out there that will give you a healthy commission for promoting them. Ultimately, you will only want to represent products or services that you believe in, because that will give your voice the power it needs to get others excited about it too. ClickBank, this is a source for digital products, so your visitors will be able to download and start using them immediately. The nice thing about ClickBank is that many product owners will share a chunk of the purchase price with you as your commission.